Hello everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. As you can see again, Amazon purchase. Let's open this, what's coming out of it. Alright. Oh. Yeah, as you can see, this is this is Oral-B electric toothbrush hit. This is this cross section, 8 inside the 8 Oral-B toothbrush head cross section. I don't want to open it now, but as you can see guys how this looks like. There's each one is in the individual package. Many stated that there is no color ring at the end. Yeah, and in fact they are right. I don't see many reviewers said that there is no color ring in it. Some of them said that some of them has, some of them doesn't missed, but as I see, neither of them has this ring. Anyway, okay, guys, not big deal. I don't know where is this made. As you many stated, this is not USA North America package. I mean, this is not this package is not meant to sell in the US or North American market. Gosh, how is small this? Yeah, it's probably made in. There's some Spanish language here. Alright, made in, as you can see here, it's made in Germany. I'll show you guys. Yeah, see clearly written made in Germany. I'll zoom it now. Made in Germany. And here is some guide here. You can compare discolorated after a while. The factory recommended replacing every 3 months, but I think 3 months is very too early. You can use, I think, every 6 months. Okay, this is it. And now let's open another package. Let's inside. I think I unboxed this in the previous video. This is a flashlight. This is a flashlight. Yes, this is the second purchase in my list. But really, I just want to gift it to somebody that really need it, and I came to it in the very cheap price. Oh yeah, this is a yeah, there is a here is some tape on it to accidentally not turn on. Yeah, this is a really good, really handy. As you can see, this is a full metal, aluminum, and this is used this large, long rechargeable battery, or you can use a 3A battery, two of them, or two rechargeable one. You can use it. Yeah, very flexible this. Yeah, it's nice. There's a inside, there's a cable here. Unfortunately, this is not USB Type C. This is just micro USB cable. I reviewed this flashlight in my previous videos, and I don't want to go all over it again. Because if you're saving time, you can refer to that video. Anyway, the main thing is this. Yeah, there's it's original. It's original. Yeah. Not generic one, original Oral-B, but only this package is not for the US market or North American market. This is I think for Europe. The product is made in Germany. Right. Okay, thank you for watching. Until next my video.